first morning, blackbird has spoken like the first bird. Praise for the singing, praise for the morning, praise for them springing fresh from the world. Sweet the rain's new fall, sunlit from heaven, like the first dew fall on the first grass. Praise for the sweetness of the red garden, sprung in completeness where his feet pass.
Old man, look at my life, 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think of two. Love lost, such a cost. Give me things that don't get lost, like a coin that won't get tossed, rolling home to you.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Don't you tell it to the breeze, for she will tell the birds and bees, and everyone will know, because you told the blabbering trees. Yes, you told them once before. It's no secret anymore. Why tell them all the old things? They're buried under the snow. Whispering grass, don't tell the trees, 'cause the trees don't need to know.
Knees up, Mama Brown, knees up, Mama Brown. Under the table you must go. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. Knees up, don't get a breeze up. Knees up, Mama
many insects build their homes in an English country garden. I'll tell you now of some of them I know, and those I miss I trust you will pardon. Dragonflies and moths and bees, spiders falling from the trees, butterflies sway in the cool, gentle breeze. There are wasps, empty homes, and tiny little gnomes in an English country garden. Interlude. How many songbirds? Actually, I've seen some of these gardens they talk about, and the sort of impression you get is that it's wet underfoot and the leaves are thick with soot in an English country garden. Newspapers torn and strewn across the lawn in an English country garden. Littered garbage in the yards, little doggies calling cards, one scraggy rosebud peering through the weeds, for they've all down tools while they fill their football pools in an English country garden.
There's Teds with drainpipe trousers and Debs in coffee houses, and things ain't what they used to be. There used to be trams, not very quick, got you from place to place, but now there's just jams, half a mile thick, stay in the human race. I'm walking, they've stuck parking meters outside our doors to greet us. Now things ain't what they used to be. Oh, monkeys flying round the moon, we'll be up there with them soon. Things ain't what they used to be. Once our beer was frothy, but now it's frothy coffee. Well, things ain't what they used to be. It used to be fun, Dad and old Mum paddling down Southend, but now it ain't fun. Never mind, chum, Paris is where we spend our outings. Grandma tries to shock us all, doing knees up, rock and roll. Things ain't what they used to be. We used to have stars, singers who sung a Dixie melody. They're buying guitars.